In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your voice into any character using the ElevenLabs voice changer. Whether you're aiming to sound like your favorite animated hero or villain, or simply want to experiment with different vocal styles, this tool offers a fascinating way to modify your voice with precision and creativity. Now, before we dive in, let me mention that if you decide to sign up for ElevenLabs, please use our affiliate link. It helps support our channel, and we truly appreciate it. Once you have signed up or logged into your account, start by looking at the left panel in the interface. Here, you'll find the Voice Changer option. Click on it, and you'll be well on your way to transforming your voice like a pro. Now, you have a couple of choices at this point. You can either upload a pre-recorded voice file that you've saved on your device, or, if you're feeling spontaneous, you can record your voice right then and there. This flexibility means you can always change things up, depending on your mood or project needs. Once you've uploaded or recorded your voice, direct your attention to the right panel. Here's where the magic really happens. This is where you can change the configuration of how your voice will transform. You have the choice to select from a range of voices provided by ElevenLabs, take advantage of third-party voices that might catch your interest, or even use your own voice if you've cloned and uploaded it beforehand. This area is your playground, providing a multitude of options to truly customize the final sound. Further enhancing your voice modification experience, you have the ability to adjust several dynamic features. You can tweak the stability of the voice to maintain its integrity, control the similarity to ensure it blends well with the target character, or even exaggerate the style for a more dramatic and engaging vocal output. Experimenting with these settings can lead to extremely intriguing results, allowing for a personalized touch to each project. With everything set to your liking, go ahead and click the Generate button. And just like that, your new voice is ready. Whether it's for content creation, entertainment, or personal fun, the possibilities are virtually limitless with this tool. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to convert your voice into any character using the ElevenLabs voice changer. Remember, the key lies in exploring the different settings and finding what works best for your needs. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and can't wait to hear about your adventures with character voices. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.